What the f? Did you realize that billions of dollars are spent each year on online courses that people never finish? They buy them, get a quick dopamine hit, and then they give up. If that sounds like you, stick around because we're about to break down the exact psychology that makes people click that buy now button. If you don't understand why people buy, you're leaving massive amounts of money and impact on the table. Seriously, e-learning is projected to top $370 billion in just a couple of years. That's not small change, it's a global wave of opportunity. Miss out on these psychological secrets and you'll be drowning in regret while everyone else surfs that wave to success. Hey everyone, I'm Toby from MentorMinds.io, just a guy who's helped people, from stay-at-home parents to corporate people, create profitable online education businesses that integrate both online courses and coaching. I'm not selling any overnight success or billionaire promises, just real, sustainable strategies that actually work. All right, today we'll dive into 7 major topics that'll keep you glued to your screen. 1. Core psychological triggers. What inner buttons are you pushing to get people from maybe to take my money? 2. Power of social proof and authority. How to borrow influence from big names and real results. 3. Perceived value and pricing. Strategies to make your course feel priceless. 4. Emotional versus rational. The balancing act that closes more deals than any hype could. 5. Data and real success stories. Why numbers and proven outcomes matter more than empty claims. 6. Crafting an irresistible offer, blending course, plus coaching into something people can't refuse. 7. The overlooked trick of consistency, the single biggest factor new creators ignore, and how it 10x's your results. Stick with me till the end. If you bail early, you'll miss the final piece that ties all of this together. So trust me, you want to see this whole thing. But first, a little heads up. If you're serious about setting up a rock-solid online education business, one that blends courses and coaching for maximum results, then I've got something special for you. We have a free 6-hour course on how to build a strong foundation for your online education business waiting for you in the Mentor Minds platform. No fluff, no fake promises, just in-depth training. And we also dish out a weekly secret strategy, something we never share publicly on YouTube. I'll tell you exactly how to get access for free soon, so don't touch that dial. Section 1. Core psychological triggers. Let's begin with the fundamental question. Why do people buy online courses? You might think it's all about the content, but it's not. It's about psychological triggers that shape every buying decision. Take Robert Cialdini's Influence, for example. He highlights triggers like reciprocity, commitment, social proof, and authority. A. Reciprocity. When you give away something of real value, like a free cheat sheet or a valuable mini course, people feel compelled to return the favor. They might not consciously say, "Oh, I owe Toby something now," but that emotion lingers. B. Scarcity and FOMO. Fear of missing out is no joke. You've probably seen countdown timers or limited seat claims. When used ethically, they tap into our primal fear that we'll lose an opportunity if we don't act fast. C. Commitment. If someone has already invested time or a small sum in your lower ticket offers, they're more likely to commit to a higher tier course. We want to stay consistent with our past choices. D. Authority. Showcasing expertise, credentials, or endorsements from bigger names or well-known organizations. People trust recognized authorities, so aligning yourself with them can significantly boost conversions. Next time you market your course, ask, "Am I invoking any of these triggers in an ethical, supportive way?" Because if you can strike the right nerve, potential students become actual students in no time. Section 2. Power of social proof and authority. Now for the second big piece, social proof and authority. Remember how Atomic Habits by James Clear became a phenomenon, partly because so many people online shared their success stories with micro changes in daily routines? Those personal testimonies gave the book unstoppable momentum. The same principle applies to your online course. A. Social proof. Whenever you can show real screenshots of progress, videos of students raving about their results, or actual data from your pilot group, you reduce skepticism. People think, well, it worked for them, so it can work for me too. B. Authority. Maybe you've studied under a top expert, partnered with a known brand, or even used data from a respected publication. Name dropping in an honest, relevant way puts you on a higher pedestal in your audience's mind. They see you as credible, not just another random voice on the internet. Look at how major course creators like Tony Robbins or Marie Forleo operate. They share stage appearances with huge names or highlight the transformations of top clients. It's not random bragging, it's strategic credibility building. In a cluttered marketplace, authority is your golden ticket to trust. Section 3. Perceived value and pricing. Third on our list is perceived value and pricing. Too many new course creators fret about undercutting the competition, slapping on a random price like $97, thinking cheaper means more sales. But in many cases, lower pricing can undermine your perceived value. Let's be real. If you saw a master brain surgery in 1-hour course for $5, you'd probably question its legitimacy, right? It's not just about the cost. It's about what the customer believes they're getting. Refer to Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and you'll see a recurring theme. People invest in things they genuinely believe will improve their lives. You must communicate the transformation your course offers so convincingly that the price becomes a secondary factor. That's how you make your offer feel like it's worth 10 times whatever you're charging. Consider adding layers to your offer. A. Tiered packages. Basic, course only. Premium, course plus group coaching. VIP, course plus one-on-one support. B. Bonuses. Exclusive videos, cheat sheets, templates that serve as immediate wins for your students. C. Payment plans. Some folks can't drop a large sum up front, but a monthly installment makes it feasible and less intimidating. The bottom line? Shape your audience's perception by emphasizing results, support, and exclusive content. Never apologize for your price. Own it by proving your course is genuinely valuable. Section 4. Emotional vs. rational decision-making. Let's be blunt. People make emotional decisions first, then justify them with logic. That new phone you bought? You probably got excited about the camera features or the sleek design, emotion, then justified it with, well, I need it for work, logic. Online courses work the same way. According to Daniel Goleman's Emotional Intelligence, our emotions drive us more than we realize. So your marketing, your course description, and your entire funnel should paint a vivid picture of what life looks like after someone completes your course. Focus on outcomes, like more free time, better health, or financial stability. That's the emotional hook. But don't forget to include data, outlines, and logical structure to confirm that emotional impulse. Show them A. The number of modules or lessons, a breakdown of your course structure. B. Testimonials with real stats. In just 6 weeks, I doubled my freelancing clients. C. A clear timeline. Complete the course in 30 days with daily action steps. By combining emotional excitement, I want that, with rational proof. This course can realistically help me get it. You remove doubts and empower them to say, yes, I'm in, wholeheartedly. Section 5. Data and real success stories. Some folks claim numbers are boring, but guess what? They're crucial in establishing credibility. People want evidence, quantifiable proof that your course does what it says. That's why big platforms like Udemy, Trumpet, how many millions of students have enrolled, and Coursera spotlights partnerships with top universities. Likewise, any success stories you have, big or small, can be turned into powerful marketing ammunition. A. Case studies. Did you help someone increase their Instagram following from 1,000 to 10,000 in 3 months? Document the steps, show screenshots, and highlight the transformation. B. Before and after shots. If you're in fitness, gardening, or any field with tangible results, show those visuals. C. Quotes. Even a simple quote like, "This course taught me to finally ace my job interviews. I landed my dream gig in 2 weeks," can be gold. Remember how James Clear used reader success stories to boost atomic habits? Each transformation is both an emotional and logical testament. It says, hey, real people have done this, and you can too. When prospects see proven results, they're more likely to trust and buy. Section 6. Crafting an irresistible offer. Course plus coaching. A big game changer in the online course world is combining a course with coaching to create an irresistible offer. Why is this so important? Because information alone can be found anywhere. YouTube, blogs, podcasts, but personal support? That's rare and can't be commoditized. A. Course content, pre-recorded videos, PDFs, assignments, etc. B. Coaching component, weekly group Q&A, feedback on assignments, one-on-one sessions for VIP tiers. C. Community access, a private group or forum where members can interact, share insights, and support each other. D. Bonuses, templates, checklists, mini modules, or advanced training that addresses specific pain points. People stay motivated and accountable if they have direct touch points with you or your team. They can ask clarifying questions, get real-time feedback, and feel like they're part of a supportive ecosystem. Guy Kawasaki's The Art of the Start talks about packaging your offer in a way that it enchants people. That's exactly what coaching plus community does. It enchants them into seeing they'll actually follow through and get results. It's a no-brainer for anyone who's serious about leveraging the booming online education market. Section 7. The overlooked trick of consistency. All right, here it is. The most overlooked trick that can revolutionize your online education business: consistency. Everyone's looking for a magic marketing hack or a secret funnel formula. But the truth, as hammered home by Eric Rice in The Lean Startup, is that consistent iteration and ongoing engagement with your audience trumps all. Why consistency matters. 1. Building trust. Regularly show up with free value, like YouTube videos, blog posts, or email tips, and you'll cultivate an audience that sees you as a reliable mentor. 2. Gathering feedback. Consistent communication lets you spot misconceptions or challenges early. You can refine your course content or coaching approach to better serve your students. 3. Staying top of mind. People get bombarded with offers daily. If you're not consistently visible, they'll forget you. Simple as that. And 4. Demonstrating expertise. Over time, anyone can have a lucky break once, but if you're consistently helpful, you prove you're the real deal. Think about it. If someone's checking in on your content weekly, you form a bond, even if they haven't paid you a cent yet. Then, when you finally open the doors to your course or coaching program, you're not just some stranger with a random product. You're a trusted guide who's been there, delivering value all along. That's the difference between chasing sales and having buyers chasing you. Let me share a quick example. A friend of mine, Lauren, had a burning passion for interior design. She started making short, consistent videos on Instagram and TikTok, showcasing one mini design hack a day. After a few months, her audience grew to 50,000 combined followers. Then she launched a full-fledged interior design for beginners course with a weekly coaching Q&A. Within a week, she had 200 paying students. That's 200 people who basically told her, "I trust your expertise, and I want you to guide me." Lauren didn't get there by spamming ads or promising overnight transformations. She did it by showing up, consistently, proving her expertise in bite-sized pieces until people said, "Okay, I'm in. Take my money, teach me more." That's the power of consistency aligned with genuine value. Okay, now, if you want a deeper dive into exactly how to structure your curriculum, define your audience, and integrate coaching without burning out, remember, we've got that free 6-hour course inside Mentor Minds, How to Build a Strong Foundation for Your Online Education Business. We also share a weekly secret strategy, stuff we don't release anywhere else, so you can keep refining your approach. There's a link waiting for you below. Before we end this video, here is 2 pro tip for you. Pro tip 1, community building and long-term engagement. Remember the community factor. People crave connection. They buy courses for transformation, yes, but also for the feeling of, I'm not alone in this. Provide a Facebook group, a Discord server, or a Slack channel. Show up there. Encourage them to share wins and obstacles. Organize challenges or accountability groups. Why do you think and Grow Rich communities exist decades after the book's publication? Because shared journeys bind people together, and that sense of belonging is more powerful than just about any marketing tactic. Pro tip 2, adapting and continuous improvement. Like Eric Ries's The Lean Startup taught us, test quickly, gather feedback, iterate. Just because you've launched once doesn't mean you're done. E-learning evolves at lightning speed. Tools change, audience preferences shift. If you wait a year to update your materials, you risk becoming obsolete. The course creators who thrive are the ones who keep their finger on the pulse of their niche. They adapt, enhance, refine, and relaunch with better offers each time. That's how you build a lasting brand, not just a one-hit wonder. Now that we covered everything, let's get controversial for a second. If you refuse to leverage these insights, if you keep waiting for the perfect time, you're basically saying you're okay with letting others influence and profit while you remain stuck. E-learning is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. If you've got a skill, any skill, and you're not at least trying to teach it online, you're sleeping on a massive opportunity. Don't whine that it's too saturated. Don't whine that you're not an expert. If you can help people solve a problem or improve a specific area of their life, you have an audience. End of story. The only question is whether you'll show up or sit back. Now, if you're pumped and want to take the next step, here's what you do. Click the link in the description and jump into Mentor Minds. That's where you can enroll in our free 6-hour course on how to build a strong foundation for your online education business. No strings attached. Inside, we break down each step of creating a powerful course and coaching ecosystem. Plus, you'll unlock our weekly secret strategy, the behind-the-scenes tactics we never share on YouTube. So if you want real guidance and a real plan that's committed to your success, Mentor Minds is your place. If you want more video like this, subscribe to this channel right now. Comment below on which psychological trigger you find most surprising and ring that notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Your future as a course creator depends on what you do today. Don't let another month pass you by.